So guys, your boy Benny the core driver has just got himself a flat tire. I was on the highway, I was kind of switching in and out of lanes, kind of like an idiot. And there was like a pile of snow in between the lane. And when I crossed over, I hit something hard, I'm not sure what it was. Probably a piece of like a chunk of ice or something, an iceberg. So yes, I'm currently sinking. My tire is not all the way flat, but I put my head down by it and I could hear a little hissing. So excuse me, I'm going to show you guys how to change a tire really quick. And it's going to be really quick too because it's cold out. It's around 3 degrees. So it's not going to be fun, but I suppose it'll be some valuable information, and it'll be a giant hit on YouTube, hopefully. So we're going to go out there and we're going to change it really quick, and hopefully everything works out all right. But I will catch you guys in a second. All right, let's do this. I don't know if you guys can see the background. I am in Chicago. And it is a cool place to live, not gonna lie. So it's like I don't even mind changing out this tire. Okay, but I'm gonna show you where my tire's at. Your tire's gonna be probably in the same location. Here's my jack, get that set up. And you just lift up this mat, pull this up, and here's your tools. Just down there. Just unscrew this. Okay, and there's my spare. So what we're going to do, game plan here, is to jack up the car. So this jack, see this little notch right here? That's going to fit right underneath. I'll show you. See the edge? Okay, right here. This is the edge of the frame. It's just a thin little edge. So that'll fit in that notch. So I'm gonna crank it up really quick. All right, so then you just spin this on the end to find out what's up and down. So turning it clockwise will make it go up. Now what we'll do is we'll take off the wheel nuts. So how this works, and this is important to know, put it on the nut, and if you're on the driver's side, your wrench is going to be facing forward to unloosen it. If you're on the passenger side, and to unloosen it, it will be faced towards the back of the car or behind you. So then what I do is I just make it horizontal, and I just slam down on it. Just slam down until it loosens up. You can hear it creaking. There we go. Then you might have to do it again. Just reposition it. We're good. So just loosen all the rest of them, and then we'll lift up the car. Now we will just spin this clockwise and raise it so that the wheel is completely off the ground, and then we'll put on the spare. Now we will put the spare in its place. Got the tire off. Now this just you line up the holes with the studs and it'll just fit right on. Push it up and then put the nuts back on. Okay, finger tighten the nuts as tight as you can get, and then we're going to lower it back onto the ground, and then we can torque wrench it with this wrench, not torque wrench it. Then we'll tighten it up with the wrench. Okay, nuts are finger tight. Now we're going to lower it all the way back down to the ground. We're just gonna throw the flat in the back of the car and then we're gonna go get this fixed. As long as the puncture is on the top of the tire and not on the sidewall, we should be able to get it fixed. That was a lot of fun. My hands are freezing, but I got that tire on. Just a few things really quick. Make sure that as soon as you put on that spare, that you go and get the tire fixed, or you get it fixed the next day, because spares don't hold air for very long. So max maybe about a day, and you'll know when it starts getting lower because you're gonna hear the tread noise, because once it starts like squishing down, it's gonna make a louder tread noise. And that will mean that you have a very short amount of time to go get it fixed. But yeah, that's basically it. So hopefully that helped you guys out. And if you liked the video, give me a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.